good?
Yeah.
So what's the percentage of improvement since we started? It's been what, about a month and a half now?
Yeah.
Okay. How much do you feel? How much percentage of improvement do you feel?
About 80?
80%?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. That, okay, take a deep breath in. Out. Okay. Out. Okay. Out. Okay. Let's get there. Go on your side, face me. Don't swallow your glasses. Okay, relax. Yeah, I'm gonna move your side jaw, okay? Relax. Good. Okay, sit up. Relax. There's a little bit C2 over here. Relax. Adjust the lumbar spine, and then he can go. So you said you have no time for massage today?
No.
No, it's okay. Next time you'll get double dose.
Okay.
Okay, go on your side, face me.
Same.
Same, yeah, I'm gonna accept that was the side joint,
Mm-hmm.
and this is gonna be the lumbar, okay?
Okay.
Alright, relax. Thank God. Relax. I got you.
Ah.
Oh, we moved it. Okay. Perfect.
It's a hard thing you move it by inside.
What's that?
Huh? Very trudno to move it inside.
Oh yeah, well, we did move it. Have a
Okay,
good day.
See you next.